Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. The garden is considered to be the most beautiful part of the house, where one can take a break from the daily monotonous life and relax. It helps in making and mending bonds with the family members when the whole family gathers to chit chat in the garden. The garden can be beneficial in many known as unknown ways. It plays significant role in maintaining good health and pleasant environment. As urbanization is increasing gradually, the earth is losing all its greeniness. So planting a few trees in the garden will also help Mother Nature to heal. In the other way, we have complicated some extended gardening and many complicated to the gardening present. Garden is a one of prime focus any house that suits one of the beautiful the whole home, not only in garden a treat on the eyes but also a blessing to us. It provides us an opportunity to grow fresh vegetables and fruits, and the freshly grown fruits and vegetables do not have an pesticides and or any artificial colors, which make it healthy and safe to consume for kids and older people. The garden also offer a place for playing outdoor sports, which encourage the sportive nature of the kids and also help them in keeping fit and active throughout the day. And the kids can have fun in the garden by the building tents and playing over there. Handling daily stress and tensions irritate a person after a certain period. Garden offers escape from the intensity of life and offers mental peace. People can also meditate in garden, and garden is also. Thanks for watching.